Welcome everyone. This is the weekly market update by the Insider Report. My name is Jose Ricardo Tejaen. I'm editor of the Prosperity Digest newsletter and also product specialist at Market Strategy Daily. So today we're going to take a look at the different entries, different clusters from insiders. Last week was another excellent week for insiders, and this makes us think that, well, there's not really evidence that the market can really drop a couple, maybe 150 points more. That can be on the table. But the leading indicator in Wall Street, company insiders, they're telling us that they're still buying. So if CEOs, C-level executives, company insiders, 10% owners, councils, if they're buying, directors, board of directors members, if they're buying, why is that? That's what you have to ask yourself. Why are they buying if they fear that market will correct? That's what you have to put in perspective. So let's take a look at the positions we have from last week. This is what we have on our report system, and there are different companies. You can see we just shared with you for a couple seconds exactly what we have. We have total. It took the value. It's a $21 million face value last week. In stocks, we have different positions. For example, we have Randall J. Kirk from XON. He's adding 2 tranches at $4.69 for total value combined of more than $3.1 million. You have other positions. You have a new position in the company CTSH by CEO Brian Humphries, worth more than $1 million. And also you have, for example, this one we know very well, Wisdom Tree Investments. CEO Jonathan Steinberg, L. Steinberg, added a second. He has been adding, probably this is the third cluster that Steinberg adds in the last 6 months. At 1%, he's adding close to $500,000 worth of the company he's running. And you have all these different levels. So I want to share this information. I want to make sure that every week you get the latest from the company insiders, and that you know exactly what exactly they are doing. This will serve you as an indication where the market may go. Now, keep in mind, if company insiders, think about this. If you're reading our weekly digest, first week in May, 44. Let me write notes. Okay, first week, $44 million. Then the second week, another close to $45 million. And now, third week, $21 million. Gives you a total close to $110 million estimated. So, from company insiders. So, if they are adding close to $110 million, we still have one more week to go in May. That gives you an idea exactly where they stand as where the market is heading. They are positive. They are looking forward to looking ahead to better days. So this is something that we have to consider before we allocate capital in the markets. Now, in the description of this video, and also in the article, the post of this video, you will find a link. If you're ready to know what the insiders do, who they are, what they do, why they do it, then it's time for you to watch our webinar from our senior editor, Ross Gibbons. He will explain everything. He will give you all the details and all the necessary information for you to understand why we use this strategy and how he has been able to achieve the results he does on every year. Okay, so great. So this is the weekly market update by the Insider Report. These are the positions that we have from the company insiders for last week, and total face value of transactions so far, more than $110 million in May. I thank you for watching, and if you're ready, go to the description of this video. Also, you will have in the article, the post in our blog, you will have another link where you can go directly and watch more about the insiders. Thank you for watching, and have a great trading week.